How to fix control panel is not opening on Windows 10 or 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can fix if your control panel is not opening on Windows 10 or 11. So make sure to watch the video till the end. To hopefully solve if the control panel is not opening whenever you're searching for control panel, like in my case, it's working just fine, but if it's not working in yours, couple of ways to fix it. Open up settings, go to Windows Update. If there is an update available, update it to the latest version. It will most likely fix any bugs that is left within your computer. Another is to simply type in CMD in the search bar, right click on command prompt and then run it as an administrator. Just paste this command, which is sfc space slash scan. Now hit the OK option, and this processing will actually take some time. Then after that, you will be able to go ahead and then basically reboot it, and then you'll be able to hopefully solve any sort of issues. So hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.